safe. I guess that means clearing out all the monsters, right? Time can't be stopped. The end is close. Now.
Now go and find Snow.
A glimmer of light appears at last. Is the savior a sign of coming destruction, or a promise of hope? I would like to bet on hope. If you believe you are the true savior, you'll need to be carefully prepared for the battles that await you on your journey.
Snow up to anyway? Where's he going?
I'm getting powerful camp.
Time can't be stopped.
And that's exactly where he seems to be headed.
What the hell is he thinking? Running straight into the chaos? Is he going there to try to stop it, or is it to use it against us somehow?
You'll have to ask him yourself. Now hurry. How high is the obstruction? Light, Did you notice how the people here call Snow the Patron? He's in charge of this city, and has been for a long time.
The Patron? I don't see it. Sure, he liked to look after people, but lording it over an entire city?
Well, it wasn't his choice. He started out just trying to help everyone, and eventually he became ruler by popular acclaim. Although I'm not so sure he actually rules anything anymore. He doesn't do much these days except preside over the daily revelry.
This will be your last battle. Time can't be stopped. Death is everywhere. Doesn't look like he's enjoying it much, though. When I looked into his eyes, I didn't see much of the old Snow.
Strange. Snow came down this way, but it's a dead end.
There has to be a way to get through. I'll look around.
Easy does it, like. When that door opens, chaos rings.
This will be your last battle. Hope they find peace. Listen, Hope, I need more info. Can you analyze this chaos matter for me?
I've been trying to do just that, but it's no good. None of my instruments will tell me anything. It's just too hard to see.
What do you mean?
I'm not sure. The sensors know it's there already.